analysis of circuit at different frequencies, condition for resonance, dependency of resonant frequency on inductance and capacitance of the system, and various other cases. So the purpose behind making worksheet-based videos is to optimize your time and energy and to make sure that your mind and system, your thinking process is along getting answers of the questions. The problem with the students is that when they study, their thinking process has a very diverging sort of issues there. They may think, they may contemplate, they may comprehend, but certain reactions will happen within your mind and system. And if your frequency changes, then you will feel different things. Sometimes you will feel like mugging it up. Sometimes you will feel like thinking. Sometimes you will feel like contemplating. So your mind and system will be exposed to different frequencies. But out of those frequencies, there is some optimal frequency. If you operate at those frequencies, only then you will be able to get the output out of what you study. To make it more clear, to elaborate it further, let me ask you a question. Just ask yourself what you studied today. And try to feel that how you feel like. Are you able to retain what you studied? So that's the bottom point behind the worksheet. Because what you are doing, whatever is happening within us, we are continuously receiving information from our five senses, and that is forming a certain pattern. But the smart students or the smart people have the guts to access the past. Because if I ask you what you studied 1 hour before, so there will be different reactions. Suppose you studied 10 pages. I take the example of 20 students. So out of 20 students, retention will be different for all. There may be a student who is able to recall most of the pages, and there may be a student who is not able to recall all of the pages, and everybody else lies in between. So why is the difference? The difference is because the coordination of the mind-brain system. So whatever you see, whatever you feel like, first of all, if you want to solve a particular problem, then first thing you need to have is a very strong memory, very strong retention process, and that uses subconscious mind. And in that also, the accessing information from the unconscious mind is the key to success in competitive exams. If you want to know more, you can access my videos, Secrets of NEET by Acharya Vishvendra. It's available on YouTube. Or you can search Neural Patterns for JEE NEET by Acharya Vishvendra. And if you want to read, I have compiled a book on the same subject. It is OST by Acharya Vishvendra, in which I have discussed all the concepts, the technicalities, the processes involving coordination of brain and mind, the frequencies of the brain waves, what happens to the frequencies, and especially how to modulate them to connect your brain and the mind, which is the secret to crack JEE. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.